In this video, I'll show you how to change the recording folder or the output folder for your recordings in Camtasia 2022. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. So this is the screen recorder for Camtasia 2022. It's just the bare bones. Now, if I click on Tools, Preferences, and then I click on Files, there are different options here for the output file name. You can prompt for file name. But the default output folder for your recordings is going to be mostly in your C drive. So if you'd like to change that, you can just click on this folder here to browse to select the folder that you want to save your new recordings to. If I click on that, it's going to take me where I need it to be, and then you can just navigate to the different sections where you want to save your folders. You can actually create a new folder and just call it Camtasia Recordings. Once you're done, click on it and click on select folder and you'll see it right here. Then click on OK. So whenever you record recordings inside Camtasia 2022, they're going to go to that specific folder that you just created. So that's it, and that is how you change the recording folder in Camtasia 2022. Thanks for watching.